Good morning, friends. Oh, yes. Yes, pencil next, please. Come. We've been expecting you. We've been waiting for you. Show yourselves. We have a pencil neck. Everyone point at the green emerald, claiming that I'm using a fake account. I believe I've offered you this wager before. I will wager everything, however much you're able to afford. Whether it's $100 or 100 million. I don't think you got that. We'll put it in an escrow. We will show transactions, deposits, withdrawals. Try to tell me I'm fake. You can suck these big hairy balls. Boy. There are people out there who are fake though. That is a real thing. But we're getting our coffee going. I am very glad to be here. Let me fix up a new fresh cup of joe. I'm very well rested. I got a lot of sleep. We capped off the month last month. Great, was actually a really great month for me trade wise. I averaged like one trade a week, 100K, 120K, 80K, 40K. I think I made around 300 grand. But let me go refill fresh cut, Hup of Joe, and we'll get the show started. We are here to roast pencil necks. You're gonna get fucking roasted. We're calling out names. I'll be right back, folks. here. Most of all, when autumn leaves start to fall, start to fall, bitch. Morning, good morning. Natasha Marsh. It's always, sometimes it's a tough choice to figure out kind of what we're feeling with the music. Started off. What day is it today, folks? That's the first question. What day is it today? Pretty sure I slept a full day. It could be Friday. I think it's Thursday, because I took the trash out Tuesday, slept pretty much a full day after that, so we're either Wednesday and a half or Thursday. 10% chance of Friday. Thursday. All right. If you cannot appreciate good music, if you think this is quote unquote gay, we can play what gay music sounds like. It don't sound like this. I'll tell you that. This is not gay music. Screenwriter, I got a bit of blog. Show me your scariest movie scene ever. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Scariest movie scene ever. Man, it's gotta be there's a couple, but what comes first to my mind is The Exorcist. And I don't know the exact scene, but you know, when the lady walks into the house and the lights are flickering and you hear the and just the suspense. What's scary is suspense. So if you're a writer, I don't know, there's not enough suspense these days. Suspense is what gets you. I know I see a couple people talking about the Dixie, the Yixie. You know, whether or not this is going to turn into something, whether it's going to break down now. You know, this is going exactly as this pattern always plays out. This pattern always plays out. It goes sideways, down. It's whatever it is, it's sideways and pushes to the downside. This might have like another half of it to go. It might have like another this amount to go before maybe another maybe spike up and then down again. But we'll take a closer look here. Boy, I tell you. You know, I gotta say, if we don't need to go into that. We don't need to feed into the we don't want to feed into negativity. Not much to say. There's not much to say. It is what it is. Oh, I have breaking news regarding Ben Armstrong. I have some exclusive news to break. I was going to make a short video clip about it because no one else knows. I spoke with him last night, and I'm just going to lay it on you guys. I know he said he's changing his name to Ben Coin or Ben Armstrong, but he's actually changing it again. And instead of Bit Boy Ben, it's gonna be, he's gonna be Bit He Him. Yes, Bit He Him. So that's the breaking news. I told him he could have been Bit Maine. Could have done that Zone 6. He from that Georgia, from that Zone 6, Gucci, Maine. East Atlanta, Santa. Bit Maine. Anyways, that's all I'm saying about that. It was a joke. It was a joke. It was a joke. Let's not go down that path. It was a joke. Anyways. Let's see here. A couple people thinking the Dixie's topping out. Let's take a look. What time frame are we on? We are on the 12-hour now. Beautiful trigger wave. Man, this played out nice on the Dixie. 12-hour. Momentum kind of curving. Hopefully... Well, I'm only saying hopefully because I'm in a short. You know, when we see momentum over this 60 line, you know, it has a good chance of continuation. Slightly inward curved VWAP, so that's good. Again, if you are short Bitcoin, you know. What are we on here? The 6-hour? Ooh-wee. Tight VWAP to the upside. I don't know about this whole topping out business. I don't know about this whole topping out business. Ooh-wee. What do we have here? It looks like it's kind of beginning to break. Not beginning. Well, you know, a little channel right there. Got a little channel right there that we touched on. Look at that. Come on now. Beautiful, beautiful touch. Gonna switch it up. Definitely wanted to open up with Natasha Marsh. Yeah, folks, we're kind of just chilling. Nothing really new to see here. Nothing new to see here. I believe we had some turning over. That's right. Little momentum clipping over. Little trigger to an anchor. I know what I was looking at. I remember. Back to the same thing I've been saying for I don't even know how long. A good few months at least. To me, it's just kind of looking exactly the same as 2019, but elongated. Looking the same, but elongated. Take a look at Ethereum. First candle kind of printing on the low here on the monthly. We're, what, a couple days in? 7 days in. We're a week in. Man, we're going to see how this is going to play out. Oy. Oy. I don't know. Everyone's kind of. I feel like Ethereum's been catching a lot of heat lately. Do you have any objective strategy that you storyline out? Yeah, basic strategy, Justin. We call it the basic strategy or core strategy. We have tutorials on it. It's like the back end shit. I don't want to be logged into my admin. Whatever. Basic strategy. Proven for 5, 6, 7 years, however long it's been. Did anyone play this action right here? Was anyone did anyone get their clock cleaned by this action? Anyone make any money on this action yesterday? If I have updates, I will give them. My main partner kind of went through some. He was in Florida and a bunch of hurricane shit, and everything's all right. But had a couple meetings get moved around. Actually, have a meeting with my website people today. You longed close to the bottom, right on. Did you take profits? Or are you still in it? Made money on that long. You say, man, you guys are doing great. Man, I tell you, listen, years ago, like 4 or 5 years ago, when you would look at like a chat box, and maybe the crypto face chat is special. We are definitely special. Let's not kid ourselves. We are sweet. We are special. That's what my mother used to always tell me. She goes, you're so sweet. You're so special. That's what my mother said. So we are so sweet, we are so special. But even being just traders in general, even we'll say, you know, crypto traders, even though we don't limit ourselves to that. 90% of people are always talking about losing. It is hard to find a majority of people talking about how they made money, even if they're lying. I mean, even if half the people saying it in the chat are lying, which is really no reason to, but they're always there. And again, maybe it's just the crypto face, folks, but man, you guys overall have gotten much better from what I've seen. Lost money in the FX market during that whipping. Oh, at least you're being honest. Man, the Dixie. Is this the Dixie? Yes, this is the Dixie. This is leaning up. Money flow leaning up. I don't know. I think the Dixie still got some strength in her. I think the Dixie still got some strength in her. If everyone is expecting dump, shouldn't we pump? Come on, bro. Man, that's a kindergarten ass question, man. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you know what? Everyone in the world is just going, well, oh, God, what a basic ass question. I'm sorry to put you on the spot, brother. I'm sorry to put you on the spot, but come on. Come on. Level up, bro. You got to fucking level up. Let's talk about, yes, the Dixie Weekly. I'll tell you what I've been saying. Yes, the money flow is coming down, but momentum is holding this support. What else? What I said numerous times, and I'll say it again. This looks like a bull market. Money flow comes down and picks right back up. This looks like Ethereum in a bull market. Right here is what Ethereum in a bull market looks like. Takes a breather. So yes, even though money flow has come down. I mean, just look at the price action, right? Price action has followed it. The price action has followed it. But if we zoom in, the inflow is picking up again. So you ain't wrong. The price has followed the money flow, but it's got this support. It's got support. Oh my gosh, the monthly on the Dixie. Ho, ho, ho. Gucci Mane's coming for Christmas early. East Atlanta Santa, if you're short on Bitcoin. Man, you're right. Man, I love it. I love it when you guys spit out good shit in the chat that's actually worth looking at. Would you look at that? What a tight, look at this tight trigger wave. Look at this VWAP outward curve coming up. Woo. The dual band strength index picking up a -5 reading on the bear, gaining a 15 on the bull. I don't know, folks. I think the Dixie's got some steam. Looks like the Dixie's got some steam. This has this, you know, this was some very nice curvature as well. This was a nice, this has been nice, just very nice looking. Even the pullback, even the consolidation has been very nice looking. Very, very, very nice looking, nice and curved. So this I think this has a platform. This has some lift. Man, look at that. Look at that sugar monthly little nice little trigger VWAP almost right there. Little trigger V. Increasing flow. Hella increasing flow. Little stagnant on the flow. Slightly down on the 2-week. A little indentation. Recalculation. Trigger wave on the weekly on sugar. Gold TA. To be honest, man, there's no point. There is no point. I guess there's point if you're like day trading gold. But man, to be honest, gold makes me sick. Long term. I feel how can I put this? How do I feel? You know what it's like? It's like the woman of your dreams is willing to maybe kind of put out once in a while for you, but you're never gonna, she's like a butterfly. Gold is like a woman with butterfly tattoos. Okay? There's no fucking hope. Don't try to hold them down. You just gotta let them float. If they float away, and they'll land on your twig whenever they want to. But don't be trying to fucking marry that shit long term, because it's never going over 2,000. Swiss Bank takes the shit, and it still don't fucking go over 2,000. The paper's just fucked. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money day trading it. You know, I'm just saying, I'm just talking long term. The $2,000 chain it just won't break, man. It just won't break. It just won't break. It can't break. And the banking crisis shit seems to be over for now, unless it comes back. What's been going on with interest rates, man? We haven't really paid attention. The news hasn't really paid attention to interest rate hikes. Have we been hiking interest rates? I don't even remember. Have we hiked interest rates these past 2 months? Have we? What's going on with interest rates in the past couple months? Man, look at that beautiful crossing. Look at this beautiful crossing. It's fun looking at standard finance. What's going on with Target? Oh, man. Man, did I call this one? I remember I was tired. You guys remember, I talked about Target with you guys before, and we were talking about the bankers when the bankers were trying to pitch me on their shit. And I was like, you guys want me to buy Target? Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Like, you know, we want to invest in companies that, you know, are never going to go away. I said, take Target out of that picture. Genius. Bed, Bath, Shitter, and Beyond. Hey, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Definitely want to stay away from that. What's going on with Pepe? I'm waiting for I had to get out of Pepe. I had to get out of it. I just Pepe pissed me off. And I don't know, I'll get back in. I think Pepe can still be the future. I still believe Pepe can be the future, but nothing's gonna change until honestly, there's just no point in buying any of these shit coins until I really, you know, feel like we're at a bottom and we're starting to curve up. Whether I'm right or wrong, so help me God. These charts were ugly. Ugly. This doesn't look good. This don't look good at all. Solano. How's Solano doing? Looks like shit. Everything looks like shit. Everything looks like shit. You know, this this spider line really went from support right into resistance. I mean, to the T. We haven't even talked about this. Look exactly where the pump went to. This little flicker just went right to it, got right cracked right back down. That is resistance. That is resistance. If we were French. Resistance if we were Francais. Yeah, Bill Gates. Yeah, you know, I told myself I'm like, you know, I should buy Anheuser-Busch while that shit was down. I was obviously it would come back up, but I kind of have some morals. I would rather buy war stocks than, you know, some bullshit. Actually, I don't fucking care. I really don't care. I don't even know why I'm saying this. I didn't do it. Probably should have. Damn, it's still well, hold on now. Hold on now. I bet you people are still scared to pull the trigger. Still scared to pull the trigger. I always have exposure to beef. I am diversified. I enjoy my diversification. I feel like I am diverse in some very specific things diversely. What's going on with AMP? I don't know. You can trade anything with Market Cipher. If it's charted, it don't matter what it is. If it's got a chart, you gotta chart. Somebody wants a TREAT. I'll be right back. Alrighty. What are we miss. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, folks, again, if you're just joining us, we pegged this in the Discord too. I highly recommend, you know, some people have a trade journal, you know, where they write down every trade, which is that's a good thing. I don't do that. I could see how it would be very useful. Some people have a trade journal. What I believe every trader should absolutely have is a pattern book. A pattern book. Especially with Bitcoin. Especially with Bitcoin. I mean, all different assets of trading and facets of trading. But this is a pattern that we've seen on many different time frames, many different times, and it does the same thing every time. When it does a little thing and it goes boop, and it comes back, there's a big boop, and then it chills sideways and down. So, do I think, you know, we're going to break down right now? Probably not. I don't know. We're just chilling. We're taking our time. It's probably going to dance. Now, if I was trading to pay the rent, you could definitely pump some leverage and play some micro time frames, just, you know, yippity yak if you wanted to, sure. Maybe on a separate account. Bro, when did I throw shade at Elliott Wave theory, bro? When did I throw shade at Elliott Wave, man? What did I say? I never threw shade at Elliott Wave, man. I just said that those Elliott Wave people would love this to talk to Philip Cody. I never said that Elliott Wave is a bunch of bullshit or nothing like that. What did I say? What did I say? Tell me. I'm waiting. I'm also waiting for that guy to put some money in escrow saying that I'm trading with fake money on a fake account. Waiting for the escrows the second time. You're just a little, like, paid troll. You know what I bet? I bet you're not even paid. I know there's a little group. I'm not going to mention names. But they are real pencil necks. I mean, like, real pencil necks. And, man, they FUD my videos, dude. They FUD my videos. It's all good. I get what you're saying, though. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'll talk. I speak with sarcasm. So it's all good. I could never imagine either paying. Well, I mean, I paying or be like, yo, we need to FUD this guy's videos. Our trade group is the best. Super gay. I promised you names, did I not? Let's do it. We're going to pull names. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up. Let me put this on dark mode because this shit is bright as hell. I don't know how people stare at big white screens, man. It hurts. How come when I zoom in I see this damn... I don't want... You know what I don't want people to see my darn YouTube sidebar. Okay, hang on. What if we do this? What if we just do this? God dang, it didn't work. I don't want people to know what I'm seeing and watching. What about that? Alright, let's see here. This is alright video. The last video. This is the last, this is the video I did, I guess, 2 days ago. Damn, I slept for a full day, yeah. Let's see here. Boy, these guys, this VR, boy, these spam bots were really bad on this video. Okay, here we go. This guy right here usually bumps in when the CF says, yeah, whatever, okay. And look, there's like, look, they have 4 letters after their, 4 numbers after their name. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Oh my God, but then we have someone defending with 4 numbers. Basic strategy, don't be fading or counting someone just because it's especially. Damn, why does everyone have 4 numbers after their names? And it's like these guys are real specific. That this is surprising. So we have a defender. I think it's all AI. I don't know. Why does everyone have 4 numbers after their name? What the fuck is, what's going on? Why does everyone have 4 numbers after their name? Wow, this is, what the? Why does he keep playing this soundbite? I guess this guy doesn't know what humor is. I guess this guy doesn't know what humor is, you know. It ain't the way I want it. Jeez, look at these VRE8OS people. What the hell, man? They've done like 100. It ain't the way I want it. Man, look, you guys are so kind. Look at all you guys posting. Besides the VRHS people, you guys are terrific. But yeah, where the pencil necks are up here. Yeah, and they respond to each other. You know, they try to gang up on you. But these guys, they do it on every video. Besides... I mean, they're not here. You know, I don't know. They do it all. These kids are crazy. Look at these kids. Look at these kids. Sheesh. What's with the 4-number YouTube thing? Can anyone? I haven't read chat, so I don't know. All right, look at that. Look at that. We had a little wick up, got cracked back down. Let's see it push down, baby. Let's push it down. It's a default name by YouTube. So have they just been like, they just have a bunch of YouTubes because they've been kicked or banned other places?
Fucking Windows 98!
Crypto crapo. Crypto crapo.
Time to choose.
I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. Like dumb, I'm smart, and I want respect. It ain't the way I wanted it. It ain't the way I wanted it.
Man, that has to be top 3 scenes ever in a movie. Sadly, the guy died of cancer shortly after filming. Fredo. Top 3 scenes ever. Top 3 lines ever. Probably number 1. Number 1. From Godfather Part 2, bro. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. Push it down. Push it down. Listen, I don't know when I'll be closing the trade. I don't know. You know, remember, there is an entertainment factor in this. I cannot stream if I am not in a trade with a certain amount of size. Like a $1 million trade is tough for me to stream. It just ain't enough, and so it's hard to take profits on 20 grand. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying this in the most humble, non-douchey way that I can, even though it's like 20 grand is not. $20,000 is a lot of money. $20,000 changes lives across the world. I am very blessed. I worked very hard, but thank you, Jesus, I was born who I was, and all the shit I went through eventually came to this day. To this day. 20 grand, now it's scoff at, but man, I used to trade 10 million. I used to 20 million. People saying if I'm trading a fake account, go back to my older videos, bro. We were ham hawking. We were ham hawking. People saying I'm trying to FUD the price of Bitcoin. Listen, I've moved the price of Bitcoin before. We've done it live before. Okay, this ain't shit. Tried ZOOMEX and you liked it? Right on, man. Yeah, I like ZOOMEX too. Super simple, super clean. What indicator am I using? My system, Market Cipher. Go to marketcipher.com or marketciphertrading.com. Actually, I have a meeting today. We're going to be adding, we're talking about adding the risk calculator to our new website here. Going to be adding the risk calculator. Boy, if you've been counter trading me, you'd be losing your ass, dude. How do I make 300 grand last month? If you counter trade me, then you'd be down 300 grand. Get the fuck out of here. You ain't counter trading shit, bro. You ain't counter trading shit. No, I do not trade Forex. Nah, I'm happy. I love my little Bitcoin haven, my little nest. I'm happy with my nest. It's just the right amount of, it just works for me, man. You know. Hey, at least he's out. At least he's fucking talking shit. You know, at least he's talking to my face in the chat. We'll give him that. We'll give him that. Yeah, ain't no one counter trading shit. The risk calculator is for all trading. It doesn't matter what you're trading, crypto, whatever. In fact, it's more for standard market standards crypto. It's a real risk calculator. It's an old man risk calculator. Bro, get the fuck out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. If I'm opening everything at the bottom, then how am I making money? Get the fuck out of here, dude. Shut up. Shut up. Start a YouTube channel then, bro. You lead thousands of people then to glory. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Oh, you know what? Let's even say that's true. You know what? Supports never break, and neither do tops. You know, it just goes in a straight line forever. Get the fuck out of here, dude. And I guarantee you ain't trading with the big bucks that I am, bro. You got to space shit out. The fuck out of here.
It ain't the way I wanted it. I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. It ain't the way I wanted it. Dumb. It ain't the way I want respect. I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says.
Fucking Windows 98.
Dumb. I'm smart. And I want respect. I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. It ain't the way I wanted it. Like dumb. I'm smart. And I want respect.
Oh, man, it never gets old. Never gets old. Is AMP... Now, I'm a little confused with AMP because I feel like there's like... Was there not a new AMP? Was this not the music token that we murdered? Oh, my... Isn't there another one? Is this the one the UFC guy asked me about? And I was like, is this Ample 4th or is this something different? Man, yeah, this shit's bad news. Bad news. It's never going anywhere. I don't know what happened here, but someone got something bad happened here. Listen, bro. The trick is to be self-sustaining. Not to try to copy trade me. Sometimes, yes, I'll put shit out to my people. But that's not how you gain independence. Because anyone can use market cipher, follow basic strategy, and be successful. Because so many have done it from all walks of life. On every single country in the world, there is someone using market cipher. It's been the top selling trading system in crypto, from crypto for sure, for years and years in a row. We got people in Goldman Sachs. We got Golden Sachs to Ball Sachs. And we like to have fun. We like to joke around on this channel. I am just who I am. And we want you to be who you are and want to be. Should be. Free. You should be free. The times have changed, man. Times have changed. The days of saving money your whole life, and when you're retired, you have $1 million, you had a white picket fence, you had a couple kids, you had a hobby. Those days are over, man. It's a brutal world out there. It really is. And it's not getting any easier. You gotta save up a little chunk and take a swing. You gotta be responsible. You gotta survive. You gotta last. You gotta actually become wiser from your mistakes. You have to be paranoid. You gotta be paranoid with who you work with and who you partner with, and trust your gut. If you go into business or partner with someone and you got just that some weird feeling in your gut, then it's follow your gut. It's not a guessing game. It's not a guessing game, man. Market Cipher gives you an inside look at what is most valuable to me, my opinion, which is what the money is doing. We follow the money. There's technical analysis, there's fundamental analysis, and then there's market cipher money analysis. Supports, resistances get broken. Supports and resistances always break eventually. And I'm not saying that you can't make money speaking. You can. There's plenty of guys out there. I'm not saying that's not the way to trade. There's 1 million successful support resistance traders, 1 million successful Elliott wave people. There's 1 million successful pattern traders. But market cipher just opens your eyes and gives you confidence, more assurance. 5-10x than from before. If you're a market cipher, you turn to a market cipher trader and it gets taken away from you, you feel like you're like what the hell was I doing? I just might as well play roulette. And money is too damn important. You work too hard for your money for it to just be shot out your ass on a roulette. What do you mean no music, man? There's music going. Can you not hear it? I got music playing. such a douche. You know what's funny is the last 3 streams when I exited the stream, the price continued the same way, and none of you little shitheads said it. But if I exit this, the price goes up and down. I might have to ban you, bro, because you're fucking annoying, dude. You are a pencil neck. You are a pencil neck, bro. And we're gonna have to pencil neck you, bro. You're gonna have to get shaven. Because you're here watching, bro. How could you watch someone you talk shit to? You have a problem, dude. You got a problem. You got a problem, dude. Yes, this is closer to gay music than Natasha Marsh. We're gonna put it to a vote. We're gonna put it to a poll. I'm gonna let my people handle you. We're gonna put it to a poll, and your destiny lies in their hands. Poll is live. Your fate is in their hands. Yeah, so we looked at oil. So oil looks just like the Dixie. Super similar to the Dixie. We're on the weekly. Looking here on the weekly. Hang on a second here. Okay. Oil. I was an oily boy. Stop. I'll always be an oily boy. The canary in the coal mine is an oily bird. I believe it's had beautiful consolidation. Again, nice curvature. Nice little trigger wave right here. Nice little VWAP here on the monthly. Going to the 2 week. The 2 week, man, nothing really to see there. The weekly is where we're seeing some money flow pick up, seeing some curvature on the momentum. RSIs are up. Little split on the weekly. Let's go to the 3-day. The 3-day, nice money flow curvature. And this is the standard market. It's got more weight to it. Momentum certainly up. I'm an oily boy. In the short term, I'm an oily boy. I'm an oily boy in the short term. I think we're going to see if my theory is correct. I believe this holiday season prices are going up. Commodities are going up. That's what I believe. Yeah, this is let me you know, we're on a long time frame chart, so let's stretch out a little bit. Yeah. What's this gonna be? I'm an oily boy. I'm an oily boy. I think we can get right back up to that 120. See that top again over kind of a good while. I'm the canary and I'm squawking. I'm squawking. Squawking. Bullish on oil. I'm an oily boy. I disagree. Oil was going up way before the Russian shit. Way before. Oil started going up the pretty much the day, I think maybe even before November 2020, the election. That's when we knew to invest everything into oil. But yeah, it's had its consolidation. I'm long oil again. I'm gonna have to put some longs in on oil again. Nah, he's not banned. I just put him in timeout. What are the poll results? %69%. Lol. Okay, 68%. Well, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more about you know. He's in timeout. Put the little boy in timeout. He got his attention. We gave him his attention. We're tired of looking at what he's saying, but we'll keep him around for now. But he's in timeout. Am I not merciful? Oh, we need that soundbite. I need that soundbite for sure. Am I not merciful?
It ain't the way I wanted it! Bumping. Look at him, the crowd is jumping.
Gladiator, amazing. I know. I love that movie. Oh, you know what? What are the CNBC headlines today? We haven't done our review of... Oh my lord. What the hell? Okay. Little fishy here. Little fishy here. Come on. Come on. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. Whoever the photo editor is, man, there's something I could say. I don't know if I probably shouldn't say it. I'm going to leave a detail out of describing whoever put this picture, but they are a sick prick. And who do we have here? Got a little intern here. And what the hell is this? Ain't no locals made this shit on their own. This was done by an American. Ain't no one from Bahrain made this picture. This is disgusting. It looks like Billy Casper's microphone. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. That was a good one.
I'm not here to fall in love. I hope you do understand. I'm not here to fall in love.
That's a good one.
In your pan. I'm not here to fall in love. So come on, girl, take a chance. I'm not here to fall in love. Just get the pimp a strip dance. I'm not here to fall in love. I hope you do understand. I'm not here to fall in love. So just in your pan.
How's the Novatec Ferrari? It's a little stressful, man. Having some emissions issues, man. It's like, it's not even fucking street legal. So I just gotta take a trip to some backwoods DMV testing shit and pay some hillbilly to fucking get it approved. It's a long story short. Good, bro. How you doing, man? Good to see you, Naki Tosh. I'll give my thoughts on the whole situation this one time, and then I'm never going to speak of it again. Us outside that situation don't know all the details, of course. But I'm going to put it this way, and I said this to a group of friends last Friday on a little phone call hangout that they do every Friday, and I participate. Some old friends, we talk about it. And here's what I'm going to say. Because, you know, I got homies on both parties. You know, old CF is cool with everyone as long as they don't do me wrong. But the first thing that comes to my mind is you know, if I started a business, let's say, and I employed you guys and we made it, you know, where our lives are much better. Even if not, even if, you know, you're cashing checks with my name on it. When you cash that check, you kind of, well, if my top employees came in one day, let's say to my house, and they saw Crypto Face on the floor, you know, blowed out with my Peter and a chocolate cake naked, yeah, I would still expect, you know, I would expect you to be disappointed, but when you take that check, you figure shit out, and we go through the roller coaster. I would, you know, I would wish that they would work things out. I hope they work things out. That, you know, they're probably, you know, I think they should figure the shit out. And again, I don't know all the details, but, you know, it's none of my business, none of our business, and what we think don't matter. I really said I wasn't even going to talk about I was never going to talk about it, but yeah, you know, it pissed me off when people say, "Oh, I hear rumors," you know, these fucking other people claiming to be friends and say, "Oh, I heard rumors, but I can't say anything, but let me tell you everything." Anyways, that's that. What I will say, if you missed it earlier, I had a long conversation with Ben last night. And again, he is changing his name. I have exclusive breaking news. He is not going to be Bencoin anymore. He's going to be Him. Yes, Him. Anyways, that's all I got to say about that. We got going on here, maybe a little bit of a train caboose train crash coming. We got a train crash coming. Dude, we got a little head and shoulders. I have to try to time exiting the stream where the price will go down for the next 5 minutes, or else these damn pencil necks are going to be like, "Ah, he will." Dude, we've made millionaires just off the reselling, not even the trading. we got some cats to this day that every month I cut fat checks to. Sell the picks and the axes, man. Or I mean the picks and the jeans and the molasses. Whatever the saying was. Now look at you guys. Now look what you're telling. You know, I'll tell you what though. That one day where the price went up, everyone forgot about it. It was like I said, it was like the Matrix when Neo and Trinity are in the Machine City and they go over the clouds and they're like, holy shit, it's the sun. It's beautiful. And then they dive right back down and they're in the shit again. That one day of Bitcoin price going up, no one fucking mentioned fucking the BitBoy and Bit he him and all that shit. No one mentioned it that day. Next up, 6%. Hold on now. Ooh boy. Booty in the face. Okay, hang on. Hold on now. Ooh. That'd be 23.9. That would be 7.65%. That's it. Jeez. We're going to have to pump these numbers up. By the way, man, watched Wolf of Wall Street again a few nights ago. Man, that shit is so funny, dude. There's some parts in that movie that are so funny. When he's driving the Lamborghini, dude. Oh, my God. That movie had me laughing. Um, uh,
His man started selling cane at a young age. His dad beat his stepmom every third day. The Ray had conceived thoughts almost every night to get his ass off the ghetto, but his pockets like broke. Brothers and a little sister, all the money spent. His mom is a dope fiend looking for the rent. No food in refrigerator, notice on the dope. He's tired of the dirty sheets, tired living poor. But now he got front of work, time to cook it up. The last of the baking soda barely had enough. The man wouldn't know a damn circle from a cube. He learned how to cook the crap from watching YouTube. The man was a damn fool, barely went to school, but the streets racist nigga and the streets never lose. The game he would never keen, never met a fiend. He called up his homeboys cause he needs a team. Now time passed, lots of cash, never took a loan. And the whole hood in North Memphis calls this nigga boss. This nigga got the brown, yellow, green, and the white. His product got the whole hood high as a kite. He's always in the streets, but his family always
fuck, I've been on mute, son of a bitch.
got no shoes on.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy, man. I really don't want to talk about that shit. Yeah, it's crazy. You know, Crank, bro, if I want to turn money into crypto, I gotta go to a law firm. Unless I'm like buying it off like my brother or friends or a couple Arab doctors I know. Yeah, damn BG user shit, I know. And it's like, I don't know what that's for. I guess it's to motivate people to like copy trade, you know. But, you know. Yeah. BG users following some asshole. Yeah, I know. I feel you, mate. I feel you, mate. Bro, I'm banned off all these Coinbase, Gemini. They're all, man, they've all cut me off. They all cut me off. Yeah, Gemini is one that pissed me off because I really liked using Gemini. It was better than Coinbase, or at least Coinbase Pro. I mean, they were both good. But yeah, they cut me off. And I tried fighting. I sent them everything. I sent them my life story. I sent them my taxes, cassette tapes. I sent them nudes. I even sent them my nudes. And it wasn't enough.
This how it happened to
So fuck them. But yeah, I mean, I earn crypto every day. So I haven't had to spot buy crypto in years. But like, if I want to cash out crypto without like selling some to a friend or something, I have to go through. I have to OTC it now. I'm an OTC guy now. I'm those OTC people you guys hate, which is basically just for like a mil plus, 500K plus. They don't give you a reason why they cut you off. They do not give you a reason. Gemini, Coinbase, they don't tell you. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Honestly, things have gone backwards. Me and my brother were talking about the other night. Internet has gone backwards. You just get less for your dollar now. Like this, the world has gone backwards overall. Like we've been regressing, not progressing. All right, folks. I think it's about that time. How long have we been streaming? It's been a good couple hours, a good 2-hour stream. Our views are picking up again. We're getting into the algorithm. Your boy's getting a little more active. Hopefully we can have another good month of trading like we did last month. And yeah. Stay safe out there. I'm telling you, driving, people are mad. People are mad, sad, and it's hard to be glad. And misery loves company. You know, misery loves company. And so introvert yourself from that. Alrighty, folks, it's been a good one. And I'm sure I'll see you soon. There was something I wanted to say. I forgot what it was. But, yeah, thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah. B-I-O-K-A.